Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Apps Tech. Today I want to show you the best app that its name is GIPHY, that it is the GIF or GIF keyboard and sticker maker. It is the best app. It's available in Play Store and App Store, so open it. We have different types of animation, trending, artist, stories, stickers, emojis. This is the artists. As you see that you have different artists. We have different stories like this. Swipe to begin. First of all, we learn that Blue Ivy creator is blah blah blah. We have stickers that we can download it. We have lots of sticker, print shop, scan positive. Another thing, we have emojis, that new emojis, that's always beautiful emojis that we can save, we can share, we can copy, as you see. And the next one, we have text, that lol, vote. Another thing, check this out, okay, lots of things. And we can also search what we want, and we can create. We have camera access, we can access the camera and we can create anything we want. Another thing, in here and explore, we have different entertainment, we have different reactions, we have different memes, animals, foods, greetings is for congratulations. Another thing we have for thank you, that we can download it. I miss you for laugh. Another thing for entertainment. We have different things, as you see. So the another thing, we have the GIPHY video, that swing but don't miss. We can share anything of it, and we can download it.
I'm coming after you.
Come on, girl. Listen, swing, but don't miss.
We have different things. The next thing, we have a favorite, that we can add our favorite sticker, emojis, and here. And last, we have our profile, so that we can create our first GIF. And another thing, we have the setting, we can set up the keyboard. So the GIPHY, that we can do anything, that we can send it to our friends, anything we want. Another thing, we have the support, acknowledge, and another things. Thanks for watching. I recommend all of you guys to download the app and subscribe to my channel and press the ring bell